Hello friends. Imagine you're driving smoothly and suddenly your car hesitates, loses power, or even enters limp mode. You scan it with an obd2 tool and code P0226 pops up. What does this mean? Is it a minor issue or could it lead to a bigger problem? Let's break it down step by step and find out how to fix it. Diagnostic trouble code P0226 refers to a throttle or pedal position sensor or switch C-circuit range or performance problem. This sensor is responsible for measuring the position of your accelerator pedal and sending data to the engine control module or ECM to control throttle response. Symptoms of P0226 include the check engine light being on, sluggish acceleration or hesitation, throttle response delay, engine stalling or rough idling, and limp mode activation, which is basically a reduced power mode for safety. Ignoring this issue can cause some pretty serious drivability problems and even lead to dangerous driving situations. To fix P0226, first locate the following components. Throttle position sensor or TPS is located on the throttle body near the intake manifold. Accelerator pedal position sensor or APP is mounted on the accelerator pedal assembly inside the driver's footwell. Throttle body and wiring harness should be checked for loose or corroded connectors and wires. Engine control module, also known as ECM or PCM, is usually found in the engine bay or under the dashboard. A malfunction in these components can affect throttle response and cause P0226. So, let's talk about the common causes of P0226. A worn-out or malfunctioning throttle position sensor or TPS can send incorrect signals to the ECM. Then a defective accelerator pedal position sensor or APP could mean your car just doesn't accelerate right. Damaged wiring or connectors, like frayed, corroded, or disconnected wires, can interrupt those important sensor signals. Sometimes a sticking or dirty throttle body messes with airflow readings. And, although it's pretty rare, the engine control module itself might misread data from the sensors. Here's how you can fix P0226. First, inspect the throttle position sensor and replace it if it's faulty. Next, check the accelerator pedal position sensor for any signs of wear and swap it out if needed. Then, take a close look at all the wiring and connectors near the throttle body and pedal, and repair any damaged wires you might find. After that, go ahead and clean the throttle body to clear out any carbon buildup. Finally, use an obd2 scanner to clear the code and take your car for a test drive, just to make sure the issue's really gone. Ignoring P0226 can actually lead to major throttle response issues, making your car way harder to drive. Fixing this problem means better acceleration, improved fuel efficiency, and just better performance overall. If you're not totally sure what to do, it's best to consult a professional mechanic for diagnosis and repair. Want to learn more about obd2 error codes? Check out these next videos. P0161, that's O2, sensor heater circuit malfunction for bank 2, sensor 2, and P0162, which covers O2, sensor heater circuit malfunction for bank 2, sensor 3. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.